Hey guys, it is yet again Sunday and I have another qualtec computer security or security systems padlock. I have this one and 3 more, and after that we will go to some other locks, and at some point I run out of locks, as it is right now anyway, if I don't find any more. But I will, however, start the playing around with Naughty Bucket Locks series from, this week that starts tomorrow, Monday. I believe I will maybe do those videos at Wednesdays, but I'm not entirely sure which day of the week I will do those yet. But I will say that I will start doing it from this coming week, and judging by all the locks I have, and 2 per video, I'd say at least a month or 2 into the future. That's not even enough. We can count multiple months anyway. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for this. And I need to get that out of the way. Okay. And get this out of the way. If you want to see what all this is, I showed it in one of the previous videos on these. So let's see, that's the bitting we have this time. What do we have? No, that doesn't look like that. Not that either. I'm not sure if you can see it. Right now I'm just, see the biddings, I'm just checking that. I don't think so, but I'm trying. I'll just see if any of these will open each other. I have had luck with it once. That's actually a good chance right there. And so we try these in the end, but we are going to pick it first. Okay, let's see if it's broken. It's not broken. That's good. Alright, let's see. There we go. What did that take? About 10 seconds? And that's the first time trying it. This specific lock, that is. Where is my L-rig? There we go. See if we can rock it. None of them have yet to survive either attack. Okay, we're going to give it another go in the end here, but let's just see. Shall this be the first one to beat anything but SPP? Didn't beat raking. There's a hair. I don't know what happened, but it opened. Last try with rocking. At least with this pick. If it doesn't open, then I might try a different pick to rock with. Okay. Where is my other rocking thingy? There we have it. From a cheap Chinese set, but I found that these are actually pretty good at rocking. Sometimes more than others, but they are good. But that doesn't mean it works on this one, and it doesn't seem like it does. I believe this is the first of the qualtec locks that beat rocking. Ta-da! Alright, let's bypass it. There we go. So it doesn't beat raking, zipping, SPPing, and bypass, but rocking, first one to beat that. Okay, let's see. What was it? I think it was this one. Seriously? That's just the same key. If the other one works to this, it's basically just the same key. Yeah. These two have the same bidding, exactly the same bidding. Look at that. Focus, please. I know it's opposite. Let's just turn this around. It's exactly the same bidding. That's the first one we have had that have the exact same one. I do have these two that I did open in a previous video, where I had to jiggle it a little bit, but it did work. This is the one from today. So let's see if this might work too. I don't think it does, but we're trying. No. But these two, which means just use the other keys. We are putting the keys in. Okay, there. And lock them together. These work for each other. Anyway, that was all for this Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will watch the playing around with Naughty Bucket locks coming up at some point this coming week. Yeah, that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.